right, we're doing a broker hard hat tour today. We're gonna be one of the first people to do a sneak peek of this brand new West Loop development, AVRA in West Loop. You have some sneak peek pictures behind us. We won't be able to see the rooftop yet on the 20th floor. That'll come in June or so, but we're gonna take a look at some vacant apartments and give you a little tour. So they're pre-leasing now for April 1st move-ins. So now is the perfect time to come by for a tour and pre-lease your unit for the spring and summer market. We can just head up, I think, to more of the scenic stuff. Okay. Because we'll come back for this to be all pretty. All right, we're gonna check out a 1-bedroom with balcony. It's almost 700 square feet. Come on in. Ooh, look at the floors. I love the floors. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's so different. So pretty and clean and bright. I knew it was gonna feel much bigger than it is. I love all the extra cabinetry you get here too. A lot of places miss out on the drawers. And then I love the different, black accents. Wow, this bedroom's huge. This doesn't feel like 690 square feet. You can fit a king-size bed in here. It's so airy. I love it. Check out the balcony. Oh, we can't go out there yet, but you do get the balcony, which everyone wants right now. Nice private outdoor space. You actually get a little glimpse of the Willis Tower from here too, and a pretty decent city view. Check out this extra large studio. Look at that kitchen. All that counter space. Wow, look how sunny this is. It's huge. You could like hide your bed over here and then have this as your living room space. You could do TV, couch like this. Then you could tuck your bed away. You're facing south, so you're gonna get all that sun all day long. If you're a sun person, this is your unit. Nice. I love this style convertible where you have a true dividing wall that separates the living space from the bedroom space. It gives you a lot more privacy. You can tuck away the bed over here. Get the nice bonus of the, what are these called? A smart thermostat. So you can actually connect this right to your phone and you can just adjust everything from there. Full-size fridge. And then this closet over here. This is your closet. They'll build out some shelves in there, but it's a nice full walk-in closet. Plus, you have an additional coat closet right in the front foyer. All right, so this is a 2-bedroom. I think it's gonna be a corner unit. I think it's gonna be nice and big and bright and sunny. So let's take a look around. Wow, look how sunny this is. So you get the added balcony here. Everyone wants that private outdoor space. Nice big open kitchen. I love that they finished the ceilings here. I'm assuming that with the concrete posts that you see over here, that they probably had concrete ceilings as well. I like that they finished them off nice and white, so it makes it a little more touch of modern versus industrial. So you get a nice mix here at AVRA. Take a look at the bathroom. This room is huge. You can definitely fit comfortably a king-size bed with a dresser, maybe 2. You have a nice big open concept kitchen with tons of counter space. You can fit 4 bar stools here, a nice big deep sink with a garbage disposal and a sprayer, nice sprayer attachment as well. You have the 5-burner gas range with the skillet in the middle and the double French And the French door refrigerators. It's huge. Perfect for a 2-bedroom apartment home. Oh, this is a 1-bedroom? Check out this 1-bedroom. It's huge. All of these windows, so sunny. This will be your complete full island. I mean, you can fit probably 4 or 5 bar stools here. And I love the recessed lighting that will continue to add light throughout the evening. At least one of these windows will open along with your balcony door, so you get a nice breeze in here. And your view is not too bad of the city skyline peeking through. You can see Nema and South Loop, Willis Tower in the Loop, and you can even see the Hancock over there. The location here at AVRA would be perfect for UIC students. It's just right across the highway, and also anyone that's attending Rush or going to Rush or working at Rush. Everything it's about a block or 2 walk away. It's a perfect location for you. So I love this. This is a corner 3-bedroom unit. And eventually you're gonna have this beautiful terrace that looks like it's very unique to this floor plan, and this perfect skyline view of Sears Tower. Bye. Shahid, say bye. Bye. Tandem.